This is a free exercise for geography and travel. It's about the features of Laos. You can play this game yourself. It's all for free and all for fun. Look in the description of this video to find the link. I'm gonna press start now. Nong Fa Lake is a crater lake. It's this one. Buddha Park, Xiangkhouang, Vientiane. 80% of the Laotian population practices subsistence agriculture. Khuang Si Waterfalls. Colonial is a national dish, very delicious. Lao woman wearing sinhs, this kind of clothing. Ngum number 1 hydroelectric power dam in the Mekong River. Laos is specialized in hydroelectricity. The Vientiane caves. There's also a human-made system there. Khon Papang Falls in the Mekong River. Flag of Laos. French colonial house in Savannakhet. Pha That Luang in Vientiane is the national symbol of Laos. Wat Sen in Luang Prabang. The statue of Ngum, founder of the Lan Xang kingdom. Song Karst Mountains, very beautiful. Lao dancers during the New Year celebration. Hani woman and her child in Phongsaly. Ruins of Muang Khoun, Xiangkhouang, destroyed by American bombings in the late 1960s. Paxke, the second city of Laos. The Victory Gate in Vientiane. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link.